Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix StarSavior error, and the error is verification failed, please check again. So if you are getting this verification failed error in StarSavior game on mobile devices, then here follow the fixes. Now first of all, check the StarSavior server status before following any of the fixes. So you can check the StarSavior X web page, that is a Twitter web page, and see if anyone is facing the server issue or not. Or you can also go to the StarSavior official website, click on this three horizontal line and then click on notice, and here you will see all the notice related to the game. Go to the notice section, and here you can see on 3rd of April additional compensation for maintenance extension on the Asia global servers. On April 3, temporary maintenance extended finished. So if you find that their server status is down, having outage or under maintenance, or if it is offline, then you can't do anything. You have to just wait for the server status to get back online, and then you can check back later. In the meantime, you can follow other fixes mentioned in this video. So the first fix is to simply restart your Android device. So just restart your device, and after your device restart, then you can go ahead, launch the StarSavior game and check if your problem is solved or not. If that doesn't work, then the next solution is to clear the StarSavior app cache. So tap on hold the StarSavior app icon, then click on app info, then first of all tap on force stop, and then again click on force stop to confirm, then go to the storage usage and then click on clear cache. Now go back, launch the StarSavior game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then you have to verify the integrity of game files. So launch the StarSavior app.
StarSavior.
Just wait, your game is loading. And when your game is loading, you can see verify integrity at the top corner. So click on it. And then it will ask you verify integrity. So it will say, do you want to verify the integrity of the game files? Tap on OK. And this will verify the integrity of the files. Just wait for the process to get complete. And then you can check if a problem is solved or not. If that also doesn't work, then reset the settings. So tap on the settings icon, and then here at the bottom you can see reset settings options. But please take a note, it will reset the graphic setting, language settings and sound settings. So if you agree, then only tap on reset setting, and it will ask you, do you want to reset all settings to default? So it will just reset all your settings to the default settings. So if you agree, then tap on confirm, and then you can close it and then check if your problem is solved or not. Next fix is to check for StarSavior app update. So open Play Store, tap on search for StarSavior and tap on it, and if you find any updates available for this app, then update it, and then you can go back, launch the game and check. Next fix is to check for internet connection. So please check and make sure that your internet is working properly. If you're connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data and then check. If you're connected to mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if none of these solutions work for you, then the last solution is to simply reinstall the game. So tap and hold the StarSavior game app icon, then click on uninstall, and then again click on uninstall to confirm. And after uninstalling it, just restart your device once, and after your device restart, open Play Store, tap on search for StarSavior and then tap on it, and then click on install button to reinstall the game, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve StarSavior error verification failed, please check again on mobile devices. So that's all for this video.